Picture this. You step outside to check your beautiful small garden, only to find half your plants wilting while the other half are drowning in puddles. Sound familiar? The secret to a thriving small garden isn't just what you plant, it's how you water it. We've split this complete guide into 4 essential parts to make choosing the perfect sprinkler system super easy for you. In the first part, we'll explore the different types of sprinklers that work best for small spaces. In the second part, we'll reveal the 5 crucial factors you absolutely must consider before buying any sprinkler system. In the third part, we'll showcase our top recommended models with honest pros and cons to help you make the right choice. And in the final part, we'll walk you through pro installation tips and maintenance tricks that will save you time and money. Part 1. Types of sprinklers for small gardens. Let's dive right into the world of small garden sprinklers. Here's the thing, not all sprinklers are created equal, especially when you're working with limited space. Oscillating sprinklers. These are probably what you picture when someone says sprinkler. They swing back and forth like a metronome, creating that satisfying rectangular spray pattern. What makes them perfect for small gardens? They're incredibly adjustable. You can control both the width and range of the spray pattern. Most models let you water anywhere from a tiny 10 by 10 foot patch to a larger 30 by 50 foot area. The best part? They distribute water evenly, which means no more dead spots or overwatered areas. Rotary sprinklers. Now here's where things get interesting. Rotary sprinklers spin in a full or partial circle, shooting water in multiple streams. Think of them as the workhorses of the sprinkler world. They're fantastic for small gardens because they can cover circular areas with incredible precision. The rotating action also means they can handle lower water pressure better than other types. If your home has moderate water pressure, these might be your new best friend. Drip systems. Hold on. Before you think drip systems are too complicated, hear us out. These systems deliver water directly to plant roots through a network of tubes and emitters. Yes, they look more complex, but they're actually genius for small gardens. Why? They waste almost zero water, reduce weeds, and you can customize them for each plant's specific needs. Your tomatoes get different treatment than your lettuce. DIY options. Here's something most gardening channels won't tell you. Sometimes the best sprinkler for your small garden is one you make yourself. We're talking about repurposed plastic bottles with holes, soaker hoses arranged in creative patterns, or even simple sprayer attachments connected to timers. These solutions cost pennies compared to commercial systems and can be perfectly tailored to your unique space. Part 2. Top 5 factors to consider. Ready for the game-changing information? These 5 factors will determine whether your sprinkler system becomes your gardening best friend or your biggest frustration. Factor 1. Coverage area. First things first, measure your garden space. This sounds obvious, but you'd be shocked how many people guess wrong. Grab a tape measure and get the exact dimensions. Small gardens typically range from 100 to 1,000 square feet. Here's the crucial part. Match your sprinkler's coverage to your actual garden size, not the maximum area it can cover. A sprinkler that covers 2,000 square feet will waste tons of water in your 400 square foot garden. Factor 2. Water pressure compatibility. This is where many gardeners make expensive mistakes. Your home's water pressure directly affects sprinkler performance. Most residential homes have water pressure between 30 to 50 psi. Oscillating sprinklers typically need at least 25 psi to work properly. Rotary sprinklers can work with lower pressure, around 15 to 20 psi. Impact sprinklers need higher pressure, usually 30 plus psi. Test your water pressure with a simple gauge. It'll save you from buying the wrong system. Factor 3. Sprinkler type selection. Different garden layouts need different sprinkler personalities. Got a long, narrow garden bed? Oscillating sprinklers are your answer. Working with a square or circular garden? Rotary sprinklers will serve you better. Have mixed plantings with different water needs. Drip systems give you that precision control. Consider your garden shape, plant types, and your watering goals. Factor 4. Ease of installation. Let's be honest, complicated installation kills the joy of gardening. Look for systems that connect easily to standard garden hoses. Avoid systems requiring special tools or permanent modifications to your plumbing. The best sprinkler system is one you'll actually use consistently. If setup takes hours, you might skip watering sessions when life gets busy. Factor 5. Water efficiency. Water bills add up fast, especially during hot summer months. Efficient sprinklers can cut your water usage by 30 to 50% compared to hand watering or inefficient systems. Look for features like adjustable spray patterns, built-in timers, and even moisture sensors. These features prevent overwatering and ensure your plants get exactly what they need. Part 3. Recommended sprinkler models. Time for the exciting part, our top picks that actually deliver results. We've tested dozens of models, and these 3 consistently outperform the competition. Nelson Rain Train. This traveling sprinkler is pure genius for small gardens. Picture this. It follows your hose path, watering as it moves, then shuts off automatically. Perfect for gardens up to 500 square feet. The pros: incredibly even coverage, works with low water pressure, and costs under $60. The cons: it moves slowly, so watering takes longer, and it can get stuck on uneven surfaces. But for the price, it's unbeatable. Orbit B-hyve Smart Hose Faucet Timer. Now we're talking smart technology. This system connects to your smartphone, letting you control watering from anywhere. It covers up to 750 square feet with precision. The pros: weather-based scheduling, leak detection, and you can monitor usage through the app. The cons: requires Wi-Fi connection and costs around $150. But the water savings often pay for itself within a season. Rainbird 32 ETI Impact Sprinkler. This is the professional-grade option that serious gardeners swore by. It covers up to 1,200 square feet with incredible uniformity. The pros: built like a tank, handles high and low pressure equally well, and the coverage patterns are infinitely adjustable. The cons: it's loud during operation and costs around $200, but it'll outlast cheaper sprinklers by years. DIY Soaker Hose System. Here's our secret weapon for tight budgets. Buy a quality soaker hose, arrange it through your garden beds, and connect it to a basic timer. Total cost: under $40. The pros: ultra-efficient watering, completely customizable layout, and silent operation. The cons: takes time to set up properly and may need replacement every 2 to 3 years. Part 4. Installation Tips and Tricks. Ready to become a sprinkler installation pro? These insider tips will save you hours of frustration and ensure perfect results every time. Step-by-step setup for success. Start by choosing the right time. Early morning installation gives you the full day to test and adjust. Begin with a clean slate. Remove any debris from your garden area and ensure your hose connection point is easily accessible. Connect your sprinkler system and do a dry run before turning on the water. This lets you check positioning and coverage patterns without creating muddy messes. Turn on the water gradually. Sudden full pressure can damage delicate sprinkler mechanisms. Watch the first few minutes of operation closely. You're looking for even distribution patterns and checking that water reaches all intended areas. Don't be afraid to adjust during this test phase. Placement secrets for optimal coverage. Here's what professional landscapers know. Placement is everything. Position oscillating sprinklers so their swing pattern covers your garden's longest dimension. This maximizes efficiency and minimizes gaps. For rotary sprinklers, center them in circular garden areas, but offset them slightly if you have rectangular spaces. Elevation matters more than you think. Slightly elevating your sprinkler, even just 6 inches, dramatically improves coverage uniformity. Use an upturned pot, a small stool, or even a pile of stones. Just ensure the base remains stable during operation. Consider wind patterns in your yard. Morning and evening winds can significantly affect spray patterns. If possible, position sprinklers to work with prevailing winds, not against them. This prevents water from blowing onto walkways or neighboring properties. Maintenance magic that extends lifespan. Regular maintenance keeps your system running perfectly for years. After each use, briefly run clean water through the system to prevent mineral buildup. This 30-second habit prevents 90% of sprinkler problems. Monthly deep cleaning makes a huge difference. Remove and rinse spray heads, check for clogs in holes or nozzles, and inspect hose connections for leaks. A soft brush and diluted vinegar solution remove stubborn mineral deposits without damaging plastic components. Winter preparation is crucial in colder climates. Completely drain all water from the system before freezing temperatures arrive. Store removable components indoors and cover permanent installations with protective materials. Troubleshooting common issues. Low water pressure. Check for kinked hoses, partially closed valves, or clogged spray heads before assuming your home pressure is inadequate. Often, simple fixes restore full performance. Uneven coverage usually means incorrect positioning or partially blocked spray holes. Reposition first, then check for clogs. Sometimes, simply rotating the sprinkler 45 degrees solves distribution problems. Excessive water bills might indicate leaks in connections or overly long watering schedules. Inspect all joints and fittings and consider reducing watering duration rather than frequency for better plant health and lower costs. There you have it, your complete roadmap to choosing and installing the perfect sprinkler system for your small garden. Remember, the best sprinkler system is the one that matches your specific garden's needs, your water pressure, and your budget. The key takeaway? Start with understanding your garden's unique requirements, then match those needs with the right sprinkler type. Don't overthink it. Sometimes the simplest solution works best. If this guide helped you choose the perfect sprinkler system, hit that like button. Subscribe to Smart Farming Inside for more irrigation guides and garden tips. See you in the next video.